Company's culture is defined as the values, ideals, attitude, system, and goal that characterize that particular organization. The culture of a company consists of the important intangibles that dictate how the team operates and does business. In a lot of ways, the company culture becomes a part of the organization's identity. Uni Square Concepts is a premier advertising agency that delivers all advertising, marketing, and creative solutions under one roof. At Uni Square Concepts, innovative practices are implemented at all levels of work processes, and an emphasis is laid on developing creativity in every sphere of life. We expect all our team members to be hardworking, determined, and ambitious. It is important to mention that our team members are always flexible to learn new things and explore their competencies in multifarious avenues. This video highlights the work culture of Uni Square Concepts. It is essential for you to pay attention to every little point mentioned in the video if you are working with Uni Square Concepts. The points and information mentioned henceforth will not only help you to know about our culture in detail, but will also help you to adapt to our culture very quickly. As our CEO, Mr. Uday Sonthalia says, and I quote, "Culture is what defines a company. It is the culture that will decide the success and failure of any organization and all the people associated with it. It is essential for you to adapt to the culture of the organization of which you are a part of." Top B schools train their students to adapt to the culture of the organization in which they are working. They know that the candidate will be unable to survive in the organization if he does not fully adapt to the organizational culture. Many management gurus have stated that the person joining the organization has to fully adapt to the culture of the organization. It is futile for him to expect the entire organization to change as per his ideologies. As mentioned in the starting, Uni Square Concepts highly values its culture. It is these vital life skills and values that help the organization and all the people associated with it grow. Now, let us discuss our company's culture in detail. For a better understanding, we have divided the content into 5 easy to understand heads. Number 1. Dress code. The employees of Uni Square Concepts contribute to the corporate culture and reputation within the organization and in front of clients and customers. This is influenced by the way in which they present themselves. It is the appearance of the employees through which the clients and customers get an idea of the company. Good grooming and appropriate dress reflects the company culture and employee pride. A professional appearance is essential to form a favorable impression with customers, colleagues, and seniors. Our dress code is strictly formals. All the employees of Uni Square Concepts are expected to wear completely formal clothing that is not offensive, distracting to clients and colleagues. The company may exercise reasonable discretion to determine appropriateness in employees' dress and appearance. Employees who do not meet a professional standard of dress code will not be allowed to enter in the office premises. Informal clothing like jeans, t-shirts, etc. are strictly prohibited, and candidates wearing such clothes may be denied to enter in the office. Number 2. Professionalism. Professionalism at work is essential, particularly if you want to be taken seriously. Have your seniors think you are an asset to the company and climb the corporate ladder. It is impossible to survive at Uni Square Concepts if you do not have a professional approach. Here are top 10 points that would summarize being professional. 1. Follow company's rules, policies, and systems. 2. Become an asset to the team, not a liability. 3. Avoid office politics and gossips. 4. Understand and follow the company's culture. 5. Be responsible and accountable. 6. Take your work seriously. 7. Embrace feedback. 8. Communicate professionally. 9. Be reliable. 10th. Stay fit for work. As mentioned in the book, The Unparalleled Roadmap, Handbook to Get Your Dream Job, written by our CEO Mr. Uday Sonthalia, every employee should possess professionalism. Being careless is what every employee should avoid. Professional behavior forms an important part of work ethics of life. Besides, you should always dress up in formal clothes in the office. Being casual and irresponsible is very dangerous for your career. So, you must endure that you have proper work ethics. You must avoid being dominating and aggressive. Instead, try to be more considerate. No one will want to work with a person who is egoistic and self-consuming. Change your approach and try being cordial with your seniors and colleagues. You should know how to behave in the office. Professionalism is highly intrinsic trait of Uni Square Concepts culture. Work professionally and grow in your career. Number 3, no politics. Remaining loyal to the objectives of the organization is a very vital aspect for the growth and development of the organization and yourself. You shall not open or create or design any alliance or front or politics among the staff members and shall not participate in any activities related to it for your oblique motives and for the detriment of the company, and shall stay honest at all the times. Politics of any sort are not tolerated in Uni Square Concepts and invite disciplinary action. Any matter of concern with yourself or with your colleagues, seniors or subordinates should be discussed immediately with the concerned authority to reach a consensus. Candidates are required to sign a non-solicitation and a non-disclosure agreement before they join the company. You should ensure that all the points mentioned in the agreements are adhered by you all the times. Number 4, hard work. Hard work, honesty, spirit, satisfaction and responsibilities are the vital core values of Uni Square Concepts. It is very important to understand that when an organization hires you, it invests in your skills and requires your time and dedication in return. We need your valuable contribution. Your willingness to work for an extra hour, to take an extra shift to complete your work. Hard work and consistencies are the qualities of a good employee that you must always possess. We at Uni Square Concepts do not entertain laziness and highly discourage unproductive activities and unproductive people. Number 5, strive for excellence. We believe in striving for excellence. Know your strengths and weaknesses and always try to improve at each level. Step outside of your comfort zone and always try to do something risky and creative. Accept all the challenges. Always learn from your mistakes and focus on your goal. Your goal should be to learn at all times. Members of Uni Square Concepts should be looking to learn new things and improve at all times. Negative feedback should be taken in a positive manner and the mistakes should be improved for a long-term growth and success. These are some of the important work etiquettes that define a team member of Uni Square Concepts. This video is a reflection of years of practical experience of all the people who are and have been a part of Uni Square Concepts team. The dedicated efforts of every person associated with Uni Square Concepts makes up the culture of our organization. It is this culture that has helped us to grow at a professional level. Therefore, strive for excellence, adapt to the culture and take the baton forward. Watch this video again and again to fully understand our culture in detail. Observe and be worthy of the opportunity presented to you. Best of luck.